Everybody wants to be successful and to be rich, but there are few who reach that line. Why? Because there are really few who imagine and rest just hustle. Suppose if you're playing a soccer match and you are a striker's position, this does not justify you to make a goal unless you imagine it with 100% clarity. Yes, imagination is the first key step to achieve what you're looking for. Our only limitation within reason lies in the development and use of our imagination. It has been said that we can create anything we can imagine.